My name is DUANE. My title is whatever it needs to be on any given day. In essence, partner, member, COO would be official title. I started out as a DJ, which is, one of those things that people just do. So I was a DJ, a drummer in a band. Then I had to learn how to use equipment because nobody else wanted to, so I learned how to do that. So I've been doing this for 35 years in some way, shape, or form. When I started in staging, I worked for various different companies over the years, learning the craft. Most companies provide just one thing. They provide the stage, they provide sound, they provide lights, and realized that quickly that there was a market for an all-around event company that can do all of the disciplines. I've been a customer of Bil-Jax for the last, I believe it's 10 years. Because I was handling all the operations, it was really bothering me to find one, and then I had an experience where the person that I would normally go to and had it booked had double booked it, and I had to go frantically hunting for a stage, and it cost more than was budgeted, the usual thing. So that's what prompted me to become the sub-rental company to the other company that I was working for and making those purchases individually. I actually am the sub-rental provider now. I send equipment to other companies more often than not. If I sub-rent from somebody else, it's mainly because I don't have enough. The product is lighter than most decks of its size. My preference, I can travel it either way. I can travel it upright on a cart, or I can travel it flat on a pallet on a flat deck. Having the telespar legs is really versatile because I can do a lot with the same pieces. With some of the customizations that we've done for the framing, for it to be able to get it up in the ground, up higher when we don't use legs, we build a scaffolding system under it. And then we've created some parts and pieces that go with that scaffolding system to make it work faster for what we do. So John Huffman has basically been my go-to person inside Bil-Jax from the first day. I throw a lot of challenges his way. I ask him crazy questions about the product. Can we do this? Can we do that? John is always quick to respond. He's always quick to find parts that I need. I challenge him sometimes by throwing things at him that he's never even heard of or seen. And then, more recently over the last couple of years, wonderful on the finance department to help us achieve our inventory growth goals. If you were starting out with your first product line, I would have somebody take a serious look at Bil-Jax because of the way they function. They're very customizable. The shop is very easy to get custom parts made. I really feel like Bil-Jax as a product has a good support team behind it. Like I said, everything that I need, I've been able to get. Pound for pound, dollar for dollar, Bil-Jax has an excellent return on investment. Ultimately, our goal is to make the customer feel like we care about their event, because we do. We're vested in the success of every event. We want it to be successful. We want to get called back. We want people to talk about how we help them solve problems. We have a certain amount of tools in our toolbox that allows us to solve those problems for somebody. And when we can show up and we can make them not be worried or concerned about the success of their event, and we're able to come here and build what's going on behind me and show up in a cornfield and when there's nothing, and then in 3 days we've built what looks like a small city, and then there's an event for 2 days and afterwards it's gone, like we were never here. That is something that I'm very proud of.